Hi.
He was about 5 inches off the centre line. So it is now sitting in the gutter, and one of the wheels is very close to one of the gutters. The gutters are two small gutters either side of the vehicle. When he lands, he's got to make sure that he's on the centre line so as the wheels run up and drop into the gutter. As you notice, the wheels are behind him, so he's got no way of telling after he's taxied up the platform and lost sight of the gutter. He's just got to rely on the fact that he was on the centre line when he came in. While Ray and Peter are talking to each other, they're speeding the truck up. You know, tail of the plane flicking up and down as the truck changes gear. He's also noticing the suspension moving on the truck, and the suspension on the aircraft is moving him around in the gutter. And now he's off. He's done it. Good. Good stuff. That's great. I didn't like the way it dropped down the front of the truck just at the takeoff. Was that the... It certainly was, and I think we can congratulate Ray Hill at his training school, because if you can be trained like that. Yes, well, it's been a great effort, and I think the crowd's probably enjoyed that, and I think when they come in out of the taxiway, we should get a pretty good hand for that effort. It was a good job. Thank you very much for the two of them, the pilot and the truck driver, Brian Hill